This is my very own activewear brand. And again, 2026, let's be cringe free.
So I have to pack orders, stock room.
Video to learn more.
Nag-drop ako ng 4.5 kilograms.
Perfect ba?
Kain kayo, kain!
Sagot na ng sagot. Ang
I look like trash, but that's the reality. So I ran for 38 minutes. That was 4,400 steps. I burned 345 calories and I ran for 2.38 miles. So sa mga last vlogs ko, may mga, kung mapapansin nyo, may mga sinisneak peek ako doon na parang business kineso. This is it, guys. I finally launched it. This is my very own activewear brand, 1130. This is the long sleeve strap. We have this in white and in black. Perfect siya for like, yun lang, cover up lang, you know. I have a lot to do before I leave and I have to leave by 10 a.m. Today is going to be a very busy day. So it's currently 8 a.m. and we have to leave by 10 a.m. So let's go. Okay, now let's go and take a bath. Sorry if ganito yung estado ko. Ang dami ko na nasabi kanina, hindi ko napapansin yung itsura ko, but again, this is the reality of it all. Kaya ako nagme-makeup tuwing nag-workout ako because after I work out, I feel not so confident. So that's why I put on makeup, I really get ready, I put on cute workout clothes so that even after I work out, I feel good about myself. And that's a tip for you. So, and hindi na ako nag-ayos kasi nasa bahay lang naman ako, diba? Hindi ako sa bahay mag-workout, nag-ayos talaga ako. Anyway, that's it, bye. Ako ng campus because at 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. I have a dry run for a hosting event. And then from 1 to 4, I have NSTP face-to-face. And then from 4 p.m. onwards, after ng NSTP class ko, I'll be going to a birthday ng friend ko si Joey. We're going to Alabang, to her house. A little catch-up, I turned 20. You're 20? November 30, which is also the launch date of my activewear brand 1130. So far, I'm really grateful. Lalo na sa mga friends ko na nag-order. Like, wow. Thank you guys for the support. Yung mas nakaka-surprise is yung mga hindi mo kakilala tapos nag-order. Parang, wow. Thank you, Lord, lang talaga na nahabol ko yun sa 2025. 2025 is probably the best year of my life yet. So far. Hopefully, 2026 will be so much better. Pero, ayun, 2025, wow, amazing talaga. Especially November. Like, super busy ko nung November. Kaya hindi na rin ako nakapag-vlog. Hindi ko na talaga kaya. I was just really surviving every day. So yun nga, syempre busy sa launch. Sa mismong birthday week ko, ang dami kong ganap. Mag-host ako ng Animo Christmas. And then, on November 29, as my birthday celebration, nag-outreach kami with my friends. Like, that was really one of my dream birthday celebrations talaga ever since, like, growing up. Pangarap ko talaga magpakain sa orphanage or like, yun nga, outreach event, ganyan. Hindi orphanage yung natuloy sa amin kasi complicated pala ang orphanage, guys. Like, hindi biro magpa-event sa orphanage, ha. Tapos, buti na lang may kakilala din yung friend ko na nagsasagawa ng ganun. Clutch din talaga yun. Same week lang din na-finalize yun. Kumari Saturday siya ginanap. Parang Monday ko siya na-finalize na, okay, mag-outreach tayo. Friday nung same week na yun, syempre nagbili kami ng mga stuff for the outreach na kailangan, grocery, prices, ganyan, order ng mga kakain, Jollibee. That was such a great experience. Could have done it better talaga if it weren't clutched. And wala masyadong mga bagong salita ko that time kasi sobrang dami talaga, like, wow. Super unstable ko din mentally nun. Every minor inconvenience nagka-crash out ako because I was super stressed. But it was all worth it at the end. So sabi ko nga nung November, first week of November pa lang, once December 1 strikes, I will be singing My Way talaga. Alam mo yung mga TikTok edit na sports edit ng My Way. If you're chronically online, you know what I mean. Ganon yung na-feel ko talaga pagdating ng December 1, like, I did it my way. Yeah, very simple lang. Guys, worth it pa talaga mag-Dyson. Like, every now and then, my want for Dyson come and goes. Kunwari, this week, super bet ko talaga like parang, gusto ko na lang magka-Dyson. Air wrap. Then like, the following week, hindi ko kailangan. After a month, yung, gusto ko talaga siya. And then, after a few days, actually, let's be practical. Ganon. So, ganon, pag wala kang pera. Yun lang yun. But if I do, there will be signs. Oh my gosh! Nag-Japan din kami noong December. Nag-Bali kami noong October. Hindi ko pa na-edit ko. Okay, for a travel vlog, siguro minimum 2 days. Hindi din kasi ako talaga super mabilis mag-edit. Yung Bali yung mahirap kasi iba't ibang footages galing sa iba't ibang devices. So like, I have to arrange it pa. And ang daming ganap. Like, everything ata vlog namin. Sa isang araw, nakakailang activities kami. But that was so fun. And I really have to edit that kasi that's something we can all look back to. So yeah, I'll get back to you na lang later because I have to rush some things. That was a good catch up with you guys. Sana isama ko talaga siya sa vlog kasi minsan ganon ako, nag-iyak ako sa vlog pero hindi ko na siya sinasama kasi nag-cringe lang ako. But then again, 2026, let's be cringe free. Let's lock in. Let's lock in, my friend. Okay, bye. Okay, so I have to pack orders muna. I have 2 orders. And yung isa, dadalhin ko today kasi magkikita kami ng friend ko na yun. So this is our stock room for non-linear and 11:30. Let me check lang yung orders. Pink L top, black L wrap. This is for Joey! Happy birthday, Joey! Lord, help me write. No! That's it. Let's go. Hello, we are on our way to school. Siya malapit lang kanina na. Just going over the script so that I will have less bulol later. Iniisipan na rin ng mga pwedeng i-ad-lib, you know. Platform spread out in the middle of CADS. That is actually where our main activity for today will be played. Here's how the game. Now, here's how the game will flow. Okay, I took a long time to get ready to. This term, for the first time ever in my Lasal history, kailangan ko pumasok ng 4 days in 1 week. So, 4 out of 7 days, nasa school ako. Simula senior high school, up until the first year of my college, twice lang ako pumapasok. And then, last term ata nag-tries ako. And then this time, it's 4 times. Because I have NSTP na. And the reason why ngayon lang ako nag-NSTP is because kasyungahan ko yun. Usually, di ba, pag frosh yun, may hindi ako na-submit na paper na kailangan pala. Parang, ano siya, consent form ata ganun. And now, I'm here. Good thing, hindi ako mag-isa. Kasi, yung dalawang kaibigan, hindi rin sila nakapag-NSTP nung frosh year. So, we're all in this together. At nakalimutan ko pa yung throat spray ko na nasa isip ko na kanina na kailangan ko to dalhin kasi mapapaos na naman ako. Stupid. And I'm so gutom na. Hindi ako nag-dinner kagabi. Tapos kanina nag-fasted workout pa. Fasted run. So, wala nang energy si ate girl. Pero dinala ko yung, di ba naka-meal plan ako. So, yung dinner ko kagabi na hindi ko kinain, dala ko right now. Thank you. Ingat. Ngayon, dala ulit ako sumakay sa Elev na to, sa Yochenko. Oh my gosh. This brings back
so much senior high school memories. Kasi usually doon ako sa kabilang LEB sumasakay pag nag-check ko. Pero, ay, hindi ko pinindot. Gusto mo yun? Pero grabe. Guys! Tapos usually like, buong classroom yan. Siksikan kami dito. So, baba kami ng stage. Alam mo, let us watch this short video to learn more about. Is it the biggest store?
To find large pieces of cloth and the food trays. That will be our food clay.
Dry run is done. And here's the kitchen city. You know what it is. Thank God for this microwave. Yummers, kain tayo.
Actually, nag-mic para marinig niyo yung ubo ko. I was actually kind of nervous going into this dry run kasi siyempre kabado ka if yung chemistry mo with your partner will go well. Wait lang nga, I have to mention, tingnan ako gano'ng kalungkot ang meal plan mo. Fried rice and then dalawang siomai. Sad life. Can I just share? So nag-start ako mag-meal plan around July 14. Ang weight ko is 63.40. Around August 11. So that's July. One month lang? June, July, August. Oh my gosh, 1 month lang. Nag-drop yung weight ko to 58.98. In 1 month, nag-drop ako ng 4.5 kilograms. Wow. So, parang no matter, sabihin na ako na, you don't need na mag-meal plan, ganyan. Parang, sobrang amazed ko sa results. Gusto ko siyang ituloy-tuloy. Kasi, how far can I go? Nung Christmas break, siyempre, December, nanggaling sa Japan, diretso sa farmhouse na wala akong ibang ginawa kundi tulog, kain. Siyempre, nag-gain ako ng weight. Yay! May order tayo ng 11:30! You gotta appreciate the small wins in life, guys. You gotta appreciate it. Kayod lang kung kayod.
Meet by NSTP besties. Ako next. So, pili na kami ng aming committee. I chose the teaching committee. He chose the logistics committee. Clinton chose the finance committee. I mean, teaching din. We're done. Graduated. Ganun ba yun?
This is not your year.
Oh! Try mo nga. Try mo lang. Makita natin ang future mo.
Makahiya rin naman sa lapag siya nagbabasa.
Hindi pa sabi mo. Dito.
Salamat.
Dito ka. We got what you're looking for. Carrot. Same tayo order.
In order ko. Same kami, tatlo. Ako lang picture.
Ako lang ba yung lalaking gusto sa matcha?
Yep. Ako lang ba yung lalaking uminom ng strawberry matcha?
So beautiful. So beautiful. Very party dress. Ay! Perfect. This is heaven for me. Like, anything pastries, anything sweet, anything diabetes. Oh, yes. Okay. Hi guys. We need you. Hi. What are you gonna get? This one. Yeah. Wait, no. Oh, what's you gonna get? This one.
Yeah. These are assorted donuts from Aperitif and Bungalow. These are tarts, strawberry tarts, blueberry muffins, chocolate cinnamon eggs, hazelnut croissant, pistachio croissant, biscoff croissant, berry croissant, key lime pie.
What are you gonna get? Go.
Not sure.
Oh my God. Isang bite ko, na-feel ko 200 calories agad.
Hindi ko bayad kasi iba kukunin ko. Kaya siya masarap.
Hindi naka-record!
Totoo?
Okay, ulit. Okay, kailangan natin ulitin yung reaction. Kunwari, first time namin titikman. Happy birthday, Joey! Happy birthday! Today, sinabi namin kanina.
Matcha. Umami. Malinamnam. Lucky me.
The richness in the matcha is there.
Yeah.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Very fresh.
Very fresh. It's giving homemade. Ginawa ni Joey for this day. Sa likod.
Ayun siya. Gumagawa pa rin ng strawberry.
That's why she's not eating with us.
So far, we're super enjoying this one.
I love this.
From Bungalow. Hello! Parang nag-iba yung tsura mo, be?
Oo nga, be.
Oo.
Oo.
Hi, sister. Ito din, no? Nagpabang. Dakota? Kain kayo, kain. Ganito kami kakakompet.
What does my mom call me when she's mad at me?
Isabella.
Isabel. Isabella.
Isabella!
Isabella.
Bella.
Clue!
Wait lang. Give us time.
Jolie! Jojo!
Jolina. Jolene.
Itigil mo yan, Jo!
Okay, Joita.
Jolita.
Parang hindi siya ganun.
Hindi! Joey!
Tote bag daw gusto niya, be.
Hoy! Tote bag sabi mo, babaguhin na nga.
Hindi niya mauwi.
Ay, bibili ko! Perfect, be. Oh my gosh!
Isa lang!
Wait lang. Yung Jordan na lang, be.
Ay! Siya ang winner!
Let's make 3 rounds.
Kasi makuha mo pa.
Random round. Okay, first question. Have I ever colored my hair purple?
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Yes!
Si Ben,
When? O sige, when? Oh.
No. When? Pandemic.
When?
Grade 8.
Walang year. Sa salon ng nanay mo.
Sama ka?
Okay, next.
I was there.
Have I ever gotten an undercut?
Yes! Yes! Wala, be!
Sagot na ng sagot. Ang
Be,
tayo.
ayoko na. Ako na. Okay, void. Sorry.
Okay, what's my biggest fear?
Hoy, alam mo?
Okay, isang dami pwede.
Spiders.
Height, sabi ko height. Sound.
Tsunami?
Malapit.
Surgery.
So good!
Oh my God.
That was so good, ah! Ay, magpapabibigyan to.
Nasa dida ko na eh.
Yan tayo eh!
Patingin? Ay! Nawala!
Nawala siya.
Question, what's my dream job? Hint, hindi siya talaga job.
Flower owner. Flower shop. Flower. Botan. Bakery.
Sorry.
Taste tester?
Rich wife! Trophy wife! Yeah! Trophy wife!
Ano ba yan?
Same lang yun!
How many siblings do I have?
Six!
Tama si Lydia.
Seven. Hindi ka na yung Five.
Five! Oh, six sila! Oh, God! What did I say? Guys, if you want more matcha daw, timpla kayo. Joey, we had so much fun. Sobrang fun. Nag-smudge na yung mascara ko. You miss your boyfriend? Wala ko ganun type of friend ko, no? Di ba? Never, right? Sorry, di ako pinayagan ng jowa ko. Never. Pag okay lang, kaibigan kita eh. Pero pag lumabas na yun sa bunganga mo, hindi na kita kaibigan.
Toxic na guys.
Nasa party siya. Okay na yun, kasi girl ako.
Wait lang guys.
Jack, say hi! Hi! Such a shame that it never ends. Purple rain. Oh, yan, mga chronically online. Tan, taran, tan, tan. Happy birthday, Joey. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday, Joey. Happy birthday, Joey. Happy birthday, Joey! 6, 7 on a Merry Christmas. 6, 7 on a Merry Christmas. 6, 7. Happy birthday, Joey!
2016 pose! Ano 2016 pose?
Ganun ba?
Left hands.
Ay, hindi pa ganon? Sige.
That's mannequin challenge!
Okay! Oo, syempre. Ikaw pa ba?